two homes, right? One home is higher area, another one is lower area. Let's separate two areas, right? How? By a line like this, right? Now make the area separated by these lines, right? This is the height. Lower area, upper area. Now let's draw the home. Here, one straight line, normally, angle line, same angle here as well, and connect these two angle lines, okay, by this, and another angle line here, opposite angle, right, and double it by draw another line, right. Now straight down, one, straight down, two, little more longer than this, and shorter than these two lines here, one line down, right. Now join all these three lines by lines. Here a window, right, here the door, and now the lower areas home. Straight line, one side angle, same angle, and join two angle lines, opposite angle, and double it. Now from here, one straight down, another one is down, little more longer than this, and another one more shorter than these two. Now join all these lines, right. Now here's the window, and here's the door, right. Our two homes finished. Now fill this area. One, lower area like this, upper area like this. It's okay. This, right. Now you can draw a fence here by drawing straight lines. This is your fence, right, it's beautiful. Now some grasses, bushes, right, beautiful. If you want to draw some here, you can draw. I am not going to draw. Here there's a tree, straight two lines, one branch this side. Now leaves we can draw like little half circles beautifully, and the main area of the tree like this. If you want to draw more branches, you can draw, right. It gives a beautiful look, right. Here also some beautiful grass bushes. That's all. It's beautiful now. Thank you very much, friends.